Adults don't know how to play, so it's time they learn. It's Kidsplain.
Today I'm joined by Daphne.
I'll take it from here, Ash.
Sorry.
The tables are turning, Ash, and today you're going to be joining us for the Somersault Magnetic Tile Challenge. Your challenge today is to take these magnetic tiles and build the tallest structure you can in 30 seconds. Think you can handle it?
I was born ready.
Challengers, take your positions.
All right, just give me one hint.
No.
One tip.
I'll
one
give
tip.
you one.
Okay.
Don't give him any. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
Nope. I don't have enough square bits. Oh, this is embarrassing.
And 3, 2, 1, stop!
Whoa! Are you for real? It's not complete though.
Good job, everyone. Let's measure. It's pretty tall. That's very tall. Well, good job, Carter. Let's see. That's pretty tall. Okay, so what is this?
It's impressive, huh?
Is this an anthill?
I've got all sides on mine though. They don't have all the sides. I think I should win.
Doesn't really matter.
Okay. Who won?
Congratulations, Layla!
Yay! There you have it. Beaten by children.